Oh, hey, didn't see you there. I want to show you how to log on to our Zoom calls. And for the time being, they're going to happen every Friday after the message that premieres live on YouTube at 7. They're going to start right after at 7:30. So I'm going to show you how you can get onto that call. So first things first, you can head over to our website, which is welcometolife.church. You can also find this on in our Instagram bio, and then you're going to click Life Youth Online, and then you can scroll all the way to the bottom. So once the video is live, you can we'll have a button here where you can go to YouTube and watch it from, right there. And then once you're ready to go onto the Zoom call, the first thing that you need to do is get your parents to fill out the permission form saying that you're allowed to be in the call. So they can check that off. So once we get that form filled out, we will email you the password to our Zoom call. So once that form's filled out and you have the password, you can download the Zoom app either on your phone or on your computer. I recommend if you have a laptop using it. I personally prefer it, but it doesn't really matter. And then you're gonna click on this link here. You're going to click Allow. And then you can log into the meeting using the password that we will send you. And then once it's almost time, it'll give you the option of entering your name. So make sure that you put your first name, your last name, and your grade. Yeah, and that's basically it, how to get on the Zoom call. So if you have any questions, anything at all, feel free to shoot us a DM. And guys, I'm so excited to see you on Friday night. So get ready, tell all your friends, and we'll have a party.